Hey everyone, this is Mike Lotzenizer with Reese Life Dad Life, and today we're starting off the mississinewa smallmouth bass tournament that we're competing in. So this is our first day out on the water, see if we can catch some fish. We're out with Reese and Harper and I fishing in a local creek, and we're going to have some fun, so see what we can do. Hopefully we'll catch some big ones, so let's see us out on the water, and please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet, and join the Reese Life Dad Life family.
Oh, yes, that little guy. But, oh no, oh, there we go. Oh, better one. Oh, yeah, our first somewhat decent one. Oh, yeah. Here, let me face you. Okay, put him out in front further. That way, towards Harper. Let Harper see him. Let Harper see the little guy. Harper, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Here, you want to hold him while Reese puts him back? Wow.
Okay, let him go.
Look at that fish.
Let him go. He bit you. Let him go. Come on.
I am.
Nice. There he is. His face is facing us. That's so cool.
Is he still there?
Kinda. Yeah, he's still. Reese, excellent. All right. That was our best smallmouth of the tourney so far. Hopefully many more to come like that. Oh, got one. What? Oh my gosh, look at this smallmouth bass, Reese.
It's King Kong. Did I skip it?
Back behind us, yes.
It did it!
Did it? Good. Proud of you, bud. Oh shoot, had a bite. Oh, fish. Ooh, better fish. Oh yeah. We're definitely measuring this guy. Look. He's an upgrade. Upgrade. Oh, fish on! Oh, buddy, Reese, this is a good one. Oh! Reese, we got a real fish on now. Oh, man! Hit the... Oh, Reese, this is a good... Oh, no! It got off! Son of a gun!
I technically am a son of a gun because I have a BB gun. There's like so much water in my suit right now.
Oh, fish. Fish on. Good one, Reese. Good one. Not a huge one, but a good one. No, 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 no.
Oh my word.
All right. All right. Not a huge one, but that's way better. Okay, you gotta grab him. Grab him. Okay.
He's in the boat.
Oh, wow. Yes.
No.
Oh, yeah. 14. 14 and a half, almost. Yep, 14 and a half.
14 and a half. At least put your...
Harper touch. Harper kiss.
This is my release day. Dad, it's my release day. Happy. Let's touch it.
Grab him, he's right there.
I got him.
You got him? Oh, nice. There he goes.
Well, I kind of got to release.
Yep, you did. All right. Okay.
Biggest fish that we've caught all day.
Biggest fish in.
There when you caught that, I wanted to jump in.
Just to make sure we got him. Huh.
Did you see that, Dad? If you would have needed my help, I would have stand right up there in this kayak and just whoop,
Helped.
I would have been out.
You'd have just helped, wouldn't you?
Yep, I would have just jumped out and grabbed it.
Another bait destroyed, but that's two big fish on the Guggen crawl. Of
That
but they're dying. That's about as...
destroyed.
Yeah, they don't have any life to them, but they're catching fish. So you can argue all you want about the Guggen crawl, but they're catching smallmouth in the creek today. They just don't have longevity. Let's go get some more.
You know, yeah, you
There you
Hey
go.
guys, we've had a blast fishing at this creek today. And I'm out in the middle of the water and we caught some big fish. We caught a 14.
Yep.
That was our last fish.
Yep. Lost the big one, didn't we?
Lost the big one, yeah.
But we had fun kayaking with family, didn't we?
And Harper Joe is over there.
Hi, Harper Joe. She was slept through a lot of it. Okay, up and out. Let's go, buddy.